Hey YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Did you know mobile YouTube views hit 1 billion daily? With 2 billion users and 300 hours of video uploaded every minute, YouTube has become the ultimate hub of creativity and expression. But with so much content out there, standing out can be a real challenge. YouTube is like the biggest and tastiest cake at the party, and everyone wants a slice of it. So, how do you make your mark on YouTube? Well, one of the best ways is by getting that coveted verification badge. It's like the holy grail for any YouTube channel. Why bother? It builds trust, boosts personal branding, and filters out fakes. But what's the difference between a verification badge and account verification? One is the gray tick next to your name, the other secures your channel. How to get verified? Need 100,000 subscribers, original content, and apply on the YouTube support page. Engage with your audience and keep content consistent to boost your chances. Once you've met the requirements, it's time to apply for verification. Here's how. Step 1. Head over to the YouTube support page and click on Apply. Step 2. Fill out the form with all the necessary details accurately. Step 3. Submit your application and wait for approval from YouTube. It usually takes a few days, but it's worth the wait. Once you're verified, avoid rebranding and stick to YouTube's guidelines to keep that badge shining. Ever try getting verified? Share in the comments. Keep creating, stay inspired, and maybe you'll be the next YouTube sensation with that shiny verification badge. Hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.